Assalamu alaikum. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. I am Zainab. Today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan launched health card facility for 1.2 million families in Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The National Accountability Bureau (NAB) submitted a report to the Accountability Court of Islamabad reaffirming allegations against Senate Deputy Chairman Salim Mandviwala in connection with the fake bank accounts case. Chief Justice of Islamabad High Court Justice Athar Minallah admitted the Pakistan Federal Union of Journalists petition for regular hearing against the recently enforced social media rules. Army Chief General Qamar Bajwa emphasized combat readiness and improved interoperability with China. Minister of Planning, Development and Initiatives Asad Umar has tested positive for coronavirus. The Sindh government communicated a detailed plan for an upcoming COVID-19 vaccination drive under which first priority would be given to the front-line health workers, then senior citizens and people with underlying conditions before turning to general public. With coronavirus claiming 10 more lives in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the Khyber Teaching Hospital Peshawar has admitted 3 minor COVID-19 patients including 2 girls. A woman was allegedly raped by a constable at his residence in Saqibabad, which led to his arrest. Very cold and dry weather is expected in Islamabad on Saturday and Sunday. Take care, keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Please like, comment, share and also subscribe. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.